Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today we are looking at two words that actually confuse native speakers just as much as English learners. It is the ultimate grammar trap.
Oh, a trap for native speakers too? I feel better already. What are the words?
The words are lie and lay.
Oh, lie and lay. Yes, these two small words cause so much panic in English.
They really do. For our English learners, both of these words mean that something is going down flat, usually horizontally, but the difference is entirely about what is going down. Is it you or is it an object?
Let's give them the golden rule right now. The word lay always needs a direct object. You have to lay something down.
And the word lie does not take an object. You cannot lay something down. You just lie down yourself.
Let's look at a real scenario. Imagine you just got home from a very long, stressful day at work.
You are completely exhausted. Your head hurts, and you are carrying a heavy bag, your phone, and your keys.
Exactly. The first thing you do is take your keys and put them on the kitchen counter. In English, you lay the keys on the counter. You are putting an object down.
Right. You lay the keys, you lay your phone on the table, you lay your bag on the floor. The action is happening to those items. You are in control of the objects.
But then you are so tired that you walk into the living room, look at your comfortable sofa, and what do?
You lie down. You do not lay yourself down. You just lie down on the sofa to rest.
This is where native speakers make a mistake every single day. You will constantly hear people say, "I'm so tired, I'm going to go lay down."
Yes, that is grammatically incorrect. Unless you are picking up a physical pillow and putting it on the sofa, you cannot use lay. If it is just your body resting, it is always lie.
Now, there is a completely different second meaning for the word lie, right?
Yes, lie can also mean to not tell the truth, like, don't lie to me about who broke the window. But usually, from the context of the conversation, it is very easy to tell if someone is talking about sleeping on a bed or telling a fake story.
Let's keep it simple and stick to the physical movement. You lay a book on the desk, you lie on the sofa. Lay takes an object, lie does not.
Your homework for today. Think about your morning routine. What is one object you lay on the table before you eat breakfast? Practice making a sentence out loud using the word lay.
Hopefully, mastering the difference between lie and lay will put you ahead of many native English speakers. You can do it.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Don't lie down on your goals. See you next time on Mady English Practice.